Dads, what's the most ridiculous lie you told your kid that completely backfired? My daughter Lily was 5 when she started her campaign for a dog. Every single day. Daddy, can we get a puppy? We lived in a tiny apartment. I worked long hours. And honestly, I just didn't want the responsibility. So I came up with what I thought was brilliant. Sweetie, I'm really allergic to dogs. They make me super sick. Her little face fell, but she nodded. Problem solved, right? 2 weeks later, her teacher pulls me aside at pickup. Lily's been very concerned about your medical condition. Confused, I nodded along. She mentioned you might need special medicine soon. That weekend, Lily dragged me to the park, where a charity dog walk was happening. She walked right up to a woman with a clipboard and said, "My daddy needs help getting medicine so we can have a dog." Turns out my little entrepreneur had been telling neighbors about my severe dog allergy and how sad it made her. She'd been collecting donations for my special medicine for weeks. The woman smiled and handed me an envelope. "Your daughter raised $340 from your neighborhood. It's so sweet how determined she is to help you." Lily beamed up at me. "Now we can get your medicine and then get a puppy." I stood there holding an envelope of cash with 20 neighbors watching, all smiling at my brave battle with dog allergies. The local rescue group offered us first pick of their next litter. So now we have Rex. My allergy medicine was miraculously successful, and my daughter tells everyone she cured her daddy.